in her moment of need.
What would be the kind of
first of
trouble
all, this
I'd
was
be
the
in if I
best
did this
thing.
to you?
This was the best thing for her to leave her there.
How bad?
The best thing
like
for
that.
her was to leave her.
No, because I know that what she. First of all, she's gonna. I hope that Ellen and Katie Novaria do not have to go to the bathroom. Brett, do not have to go to the bathroom.
What if they lock her out of the
She will
bathroom?
lock them out. I'm sure.
That's what I mean.
She has them locked out right now. I'm sure she does. She's curled up right now on the bathroom floor.
So when Jenna just sleeps on the bathroom floor a lot,
Yes, she does actually.
how does that make you feel about yourself?
I mean,
You got
I
good
don't
medicine?
care. If I don't have to go to the
Good medicine,
bathroom,
good
if I don't have to go to the bathroom,
Unless
I
you have to go to
close
the
it,
gym.
and then my dog comes in Jenna's side of the bed, and we're fine.
Do you think it's your dog or yours and Jenna's dog?
No, she's my dog. But no, that I mean, as long as I don't have to go to the bathroom, if Jenna were to let me go in there first, she can stay in there the whole night at that point. But she
Pretty hope.
yeah, she has a lot of lessons to learn. She has to work on her crumbs. She makes crumbs
Her
all
butter
over the place.
spreadage.
Yes, she just is.
Or pot butter?
Like, it's not that she's a clutterer, but it's like just kind of, you know.
Porter?
Well, she could, yeah, she's got a little bit of that with some of it. But, you know, just like crumbs. I mean, if
Would
you're
you say
going
those
to
are
eat a
core
cookie,
problems?
if you're going to have like a chip or a cookie or something, you don't bite like half of it over the carpet because invariably crumbs will then go into the carpet. And then when you don't vacuum, I have to vacuum.
Robbie, would you say those are core problems?
Core problems.
Like, what would you list?
No,
Jenna's
they're not core.
problems
I
as?
mean, it's not core
Does she
problem.
beat you?
No, she doesn't.
Don't
I
beat her.
mean, no. Well,
Sounds like an anal problem.
That's what Liz has. That's a video tape.
That's not a core problem.
What's
I don't